Welcome back, everybody. Today we're making elderberry syrup. It's a great immune booster, and there's lots of info out there on it you can research, but it works great for us. You will need 1 cup of dried elderberries, 4 cups of water, 1 cinnamon stick, and 1 cup of honey. You can also add cloves and ginger to this. To a pot, add your berries, the cinnamon stick, your water, and if you're using cloves and ginger, you add that now. Bring that to a boil, then simmer for 40 minutes. Next, you'll strain the juice. Then mash the berries to get out all the juice. After this cools for a little bit, you'll add in your honey and stir it up really good. Then just jar it up. For an immune booster, we take 1 tablespoon of this a day, and if we're sick, we take 1 tablespoon twice a day. And there you have elderberry syrup. I want to thank y'all for watching. I hope you have a blessed day and come back and see us.